With the jacket?
Yeah.
From the front is cute though.
Yeah, from the
Front
let
she
them know.
cute,
From
and
the front.
the back.
From the front is real cute, real cute.
Okay.
I wish I should call that bitch. Tell her to turn around, huh? Her shaking all that ass.
I told you.
Hey, yo, bitch.
She be twerking that shit too on the nigga
She
body.
got a little dome.
She duty. And she got the boots with the glasses.
Boots with the fur.
Hell nah. Look
She
at
hit
this.
the flow.
I'm high. It's a motherfucker.
Next thing you know, sure they got a load.
Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. You either got ears or you don't, my nigga. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. You either got ears or you don't, my nigga.
Everybody in a rapper, I'm tired of it. Most of these niggas out here counterfeit. You ain't start when I started, you ain't got no heart in it. Honestly, you'll never make a hit. Nah, I ain't hating on shit. I'm just simply saying, when I hear these niggas rap, man, I think they be playing. My money right, but I'm grinding like I'm pushing on the board. Yo, honey, like that I don't lie. When you say you fly, she like sure. I don't say shit, but she feel the air. She love that I'm on tour. When I leave the show, she bring her girls to my hotel room floor, and we do it up all night. Yeah, partying alright. Yeah, racks inside that air all light. It's just my team, so it ain't no fights. We boss made, we might have that white. Roll shells, but them models get fired. In the scope, but we ain't been high. Up all night, but we ain't get tired. Don't call me on my phone, cause it might be tapped. I ain't lying like y'all, I truly tried. Whether hip hop, pop, or the R&B, I would never sell my soul.
Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. You either got ears or you don't, my nigga. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. You either got ears or you don't, my nigga.
All day, that's gotta elevate. My team and I stay hella baked. Don't contemplate on accent for no hit unless we hella straight. I know them suckers hella hate. Nothing to do cause they mad I'm new. I'm blowing loud straight, walking over them like string shoes. Shoes, trains new, trains new, sayings new, means new, greens new, me things every day of me 5 cuisine. Chillin' with a swooty out of fucking magazine with her damn degree. Yeah, it's crazy, babe. Yeah, I just knew that I was meant to ball, either in the pen or with the pen. I'ma stand tall. Used to hate when all I had to do was write rhyme schemes, writing essay long verses, not listening to a damn in my zone. They used to smell the fumes. I turned them all out, and they used to explain how I do my damn thing, do. And I ain't saying dang to you. Yeah.
Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. You either got ears or you don't, my nigga. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. Hey rapper, everybody ain't a rapper. You either got ears or you don't, my nigga.
Yeah, what the fuck? Hey, man, what the, hey, bro, what you got? What the fuck is this, man? Come on, man, play the next track, man.